Omnisend Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Omnisend are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, who it's best for, and whether it's the right email marketing tool for you. Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform designed for e-commerce businesses, offering automation, segmentation, and omnichannel marketing in one package. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and other platforms, making it a top choice for online stores. One of Omnisend's biggest strengths is its automation workflows, allowing users to set up abandoned cart emails, welcome sequences, order confirmations, and post-purchase follow-ups. The drag-and-drop email builder makes it easy to design professional-looking emails without coding, and pre-built templates help streamline campaign creation. Unlike many competitors, Omnisend includes SMS and push notifications, making it a powerful all-in-one tool for reaching customers across multiple channels. The segmentation features allow businesses to target customers based on behavior, demographics, and purchase history, helping improve engagement and conversion rates. A/B testing is also included, letting users optimize subject lines, email content, and sending times. Another standout feature is the Product Recommender, which suggests relevant products to customers based on browsing and purchase history, increasing the chances of repeat sales. Omnisend's pricing is competitive, with a free plan offering up to 250 contacts and 500 emails per month, while paid plans scale based on the number of subscribers and extra features like SMS credits. It's more affordable than platforms like Klaviyo, but offers a similar e-commerce-focused feature set. Customer support is responsive, with 24/7 live chat and email support for paid users. The downsides? It's heavily e-commerce focused, so if you're not running an online store, other platforms may be a better fit. Additionally, while the automation is powerful, the interface can take some time to learn, especially for beginners. Overall, Omnisend is an excellent choice for e-commerce businesses looking to automate and optimize their email and SMS marketing. If you're running an online store and need a feature-rich, affordable marketing tool, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.